Good morning students and welcome to Social Science class of Standard 10. We have started to study about the first chapter in geography, the Indian physiography. In the last class, we studied how the physiography of India has been divided into 4 categories, namely the northern mountains, the northern Great Plains, the Peninsula Plateau, and the coastal plains and islands. In my previous class, in detail, we studied about the northern mountains. Now today, let's learn the second division of Indian physiography, the northern Great Plains. The northern Great Plains, it lies between the Himalayas and the Peninsula Plateau. It is formed by the depositional work of 3 river systems, namely the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. It contains alluvial soil flowing from the rivers and the Himalayas. It is suitable for irrigation and agriculture. It has perennial river, continuous flow of river. It supports network of roads, railways and means of communication which is useful for industrialization, urbanization and trade. It is also a pilgrim center. The next one is the Peninsula Plateau. It is the largest physical division of India. It is the oldest land mass of Gondwana lands. It is triangular in shape, formed by Cape Kanyakumari. It is bounded by hills and plateaus like Aravali, Vindhyas, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Deccan Plateau and Malwa Plateau. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak on Abu Hills of Aravali. Vindhya range is on the Narmada Valley. Satpura runs in between Narmada and Tapi rivers. Let's know its subdivision, the Western Ghats. The Western Ghats runs parallel to west coast from Tapi to Kanyakumari. They are also known as Sahyadris. They are steep on west, gentle on eastern side. Annamudi in Annaimalai Hill is the highest peak in South India. Now let's learn about the Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats runs parallel to east coast from Mahanadi to Nilgiri Hills in south. They are lower and not continuous. The highest peak here is Armakonda. Then the Deccan Plateau. It is bounded by Satpura and Vindhyas in northwest. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats in the east. Peninsula Plateau is rich in minerals, thick forests and biodiversity. It is influenced by southwest monsoons and covered with black soil which is useful for agriculture. Birthplace of many rivers which is used for hydroelectricity. It is well known for its hill station like Ooty. Now, the 4th division, the coastal plains and islands. The coastal plain extends from Rann of Kutch in west to Ganga in east. It is divided into 2 parts, the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain lies in between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It extends from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. It is narrow, steep and rocky. It has Konkan coast, Karnataka coast, Malabar coast. Now the eastern coastal plain to the eastern side. It extends from Sabarna Rekha to Kanyakumari. It is between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. It is broader, flows South Indian rivers and forms deltas like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Eastern coastal plain divided into northern Sirkar and Coromandel. Some lagoons like Lake Chilka, Pulicat and Kollaru is formed. Now let's learn something about the importance of these coastal plains. The coastal plains provides natural harbours to carry foreign trade. It is useful for fishing, shipbuilding, agriculture and production of salts. It is also useful for navigation. Many beaches attract tourists. Now let's learn something about the islands of India. There are nearly 247 islands in India. 204 in Bay of Bengal and 43 islands in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar are in Bay of Bengal and formed by volcanic eruption. Lakshadweep Island are in Arabian Sea, which is formed by corals. With this, I complete the lesson Indian Physiography. Thank you all. Stay safe.